In this video guide, we will provide you with instructions on how to effectively get rid of these scary pop-ups that are coming from the site allcontrolpc.com. While researching a suspicious website, we discovered this website allcontrolpc.com. This site is a rogue and deceptive site. It runs scams, it promotes spam browser notifications, and causes redirects to different harmful or at least unreliable websites. Allcontrolpc.com and similar websites are typically entered via redirects caused by websites that use rogue advertising networks. These pop-ups by allcontrolpc.com claim to be related to the well-known security program, but in reality they are not associated with any decent program. So please be careful, don't interact with these deceptive pop-ups, don't install anything that they suggest. Now, what I recommend you to do is to immediately leave this page and then research your system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and then start investigating your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.